We don't know anything except our voices. Tom and Jerry. Push button kitty. That was just a barber. The final pencil made me two shoes. Push our lost incorporated. Push our fair Quimby.
There's Mammy Two Shoes sweeping the floor. She seems very happy, even though you can't see her face. Yeah, I know what the deal is. Yeah, you are sorry, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, let's go get that fucking cheeses, bitch.
Yeah, so what of it?
Oh yeah, we got that cheeses, bitch.
Yeah, animals gotta eat. That's what animals do. You gotta survive. You eat, sleep, shit, fuck. That's all you do. You gotta survive like that, you know what I'm saying? Alright, who's ringing the bell now?
What man?
What, you expecting some kind of package or something?
Waiting for what, bitch?
Waiting for what? Oh, it is a package. The hell type of toy is that?
Mechano, the cat tomorrow. No feeding, no fussing, no fur. Clean, efficient, and dependable.
And what do you want, man? Damn. And what you freaking got? What you wasting your money on? What the fuck is this? A robotic cat? Whoa. You bought this because you think you can do better than me? That thing is a fucking piece of junk, man. Look how shit it looks. That thing looks like straight up fucking iRobot.
Even though I can make that shit, bitch.
I can make way better shit than that. Alright, turn it on and see what it can do. Oh, it can shine a button. Oh, shit.
The fuck?
Crack this score in 5 seconds! Oh, my fucking God! In 3 seconds, it's done what I couldn't do in 3 years! Man! Why you be such an asshole about it? You could just kick me out instead of like this. Why you got one up me, huh? Man.
Fuck!
Oh, and you got Sam up, man. Fuck you, bitch. I'm out of here, man. What? Oh.
I'm gonna get hit by a fucking car.
Hope you get hit by a fucking car.
Hope you get hit by a fucking car.
Yep. As your command.
Yeah, you voiced it. Oh, I just creep slowly. Oh. Let's go. Go.
Hey! I set your mouse in the house.
Go. Oh, shit.
Get your ass!
Fuck, man. This shit didn't work. Alright. And let's fucking do this shit.
I sent some mouse. Axe shopping time.
Oh my fucking God, dude! Jesus Christ! You're fucking...
No, I'm stopping your ass. Go. Bang!
Alright, this shit better fucking work, man. This better fucking work. Alright, let's do this shit. You should aim me right for that fucking mouse hole. Boom!
I got you. Now get the fuck out of here. Stay on, I'm killing you. Gun time. 9mm.
What the fuck, man? Now my asshole's fucking burning. You know what? I got a bunch of mouses in this bitch. How about this? There you go. Now I got 1,000 mouses in the house.
Wait a minute. Oh my God, so many freaking mouses. I don't know what to do. Man, I'm gonna kill you all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all dying to Chop. I got bam.
Oh shit!
Bam, power points in this bitch.
Miss me.
Sawed off. I got your ass now, boy.
No, you
I
don't.
turned into an airplane. Dynamite. Move out the way, man, with your shoes. I gotta kill mice. That's my freaking job, man. That's all it's designed for. What the fuck is going on? I told you that raw was a fucking problem. Man, what you done did now? Bow! Man! Bow!
Yeah, you fucking is.
Whoa!
Damn, yo! Oh my
Come back
god!
Whoa!
Look at that fucking robot, yo!
The fuck? Oh, now you're glad to see me. Told you robots ain't shit. Humans for life, baby. I mean, cats for life. Oh shit! No, I'm a robot cat now. I'm designed to kill mice for a living. And looks like you're a mouse. Wait a minute. Oh shit! Oh, I got that fucking mouse, boy. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, my fucking ball!
What's your fucking ball, bitch?
I got your ass now, boy. The end.